How to sign in on Capital One bank account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let me head over to Safari. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Capital One Bank. The site will appear. Head over to the very first one, Capital One. You will land on the official page of Capital One. Click on Sign In at the very top right corner. Once again, click on Sign In Online. This interface will pop up on your screen. Now what you want to do is, first of all, simply enter the username of your account. Enter the username that you have created before. And once you are done, enter the password of your account. If you want them to remember your username and the password, click on this checkbox Remember Me. And for some of you, if you have forgotten your username or the password, then simply click on Forgot Username or Password. With the help of some process, you will be able to recover your account, and then you'll be good to go. So once you enter your username and password, click on Sign In, and then you will be logged into your account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can sign in on your Capital One Bank account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.